x whole square equivalent to 492 A04, A equivalent to. So if I open the bracket, this will be 9 into 230 plus x whole square equivalent to 492 A04. 9 into any number. If you multiply any number by 9, digital sum will always be 9. So 4 plus 9, 13, 15, 19. 19 plus A should be divisible by 9. That means A value will be 8. A value will be 8. You write down the concept. Any number multiplied by 9. Any number multiplied by 9. Any number multiplied by 9. Digital sum will always be 9. Digital sum will always be 9. This is the concept. Any number multiplied by 9.